Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, I would like to inform you that this video I am preparing just to let you know that we are ending our Postpoint DLP series, where we learn lots of things like your introduction of Postpoint DLP, your architecture, workflow, how to download your software as well as the license from the support portal, then way to raise case with OEM, followed by installation of your application as well as the policy configuration as per the industry best practices, then reporting and other stuff. Okay, so many things I have covered as per the best of my knowledge. Okay, but the thing is I was not able to demonstrate email protector, web and other stuff. It's just because I'm running out of resources, because the email protector, I mean the CentOS RHEL based, the OVA file, which requires huge resources. Okay, so due to the resources issue I was not able to make video on those part, but hopefully the way I have explained you guys will be able to set up in your environment. Okay, and for best practices for the upgrade also you will have to follow the same thing the way I have done, but make sure that you guys are taking clone, snapshot or whatever the possible configuration backup before you proceed with any critical activity, so that if in case if anything goes wrong, then you will be able to perform the disaster recovery by your own without any hassle. So before proceeding with any activity, make sure that your backup plan is always ready, because this is what I personally follow. Without backup plan, I never execute any critical things. Okay, until and unless I'm pretty sure on those particular activity. Now coming to the point, I have received so many comments about this particular series that some of the people have got the job and gained the expertise because they are facing the challenges while implementing or learning this particular product. So hopefully this particular series has made your life easy and you have got lots of things which is available, of course, free of cost on my channel. However, as you know that the people who are just a subscriber or just a viewers, they used to get videos very delayed, right? And by the time I'm recording video, then today is the 29th July. So here we are completing my entire series, okay? And all the videos are available on my YouTube channel. But the only thing is the people who are members of this particular channel, they are getting early access to the all videos. This is probably like a part number 33, but on YouTube channel so far I have only published 19 videos. So if you want to get the early access of these videos, then become a member, and it just costs less than $1, right? And with the membership you guys are getting chance to interact with me. And one more thing guys, I have my Telegram channel as well. Okay, so make sure you guys are joining that channel, because that is where I used to I stay most of the time active and provides timely update to all the members. And recently I have started my Technical Spark page as well on my LinkedIn, so make sure you guys are following that particular page, okay? Because this is where also I'm providing lots of important information on the technology perspective, and that will help you in the long run. I'm pretty sure that you will get lots of useful content over there. This is just a 1 week since I have started that LinkedIn page, and I'm getting really good response on that channel. And going further, I'll planning to starting another series. It could be on Symantec or antivirus or DLP, or it could be on the SQL cluster configuration, because I got in a couple of comments that when you guys are configuring your application, so some of the application has the limitation that they cannot be installed on the cluster or active passive likewise. But when it's come to the database, then all data is getting stored on the database. So if in case anything goes wrong, then it's a complete failure, right? So that is the reason people are requesting me to make video on the cluster. So I'll try to cover that particular part in my upcoming videos, and for that I'll be raising one poll. So make sure you guys are participating in that poll, and only members will be able to participate in that particular poll. And guys, I have one suggestion for all you guys. Although you know that I'm making lots of videos, but when you guys are watching, I'm really not getting your feedback. So it could be in form of your likes or dislike, whatever it is, right? Whether you are facing any difficulties while understanding anything, because as you know that my accent is English and I usually speak little faster. So sorry for that. So I try to reduce my speed slowly. because when the peoples are watching these videos from outside of India, so they are finding it difficult due to the Indian accent. But yeah, I'm trying to improve that, so don't worry about that. The major thing is whatever you feel, just feel free to let me know in the comment box. Okay, so that if I'm available, I try to answer your queries, and if in case I am unavailable, then other people who are watching the videos and going through the comment section, they will also try to help you with that things. And I'll recommend everybody, okay, whoever is watching the videos, so sometimes if you find any difficulties, then please read the comments, okay, because there may be a thing like you didn't understand any of the part, or you have some additional questions. So one of you might have raised the same question, and I or someone else have already provided that answer. So reading the comment section is also been very useful, because we have really good comments on the videos. And one more question, guys. I really wanted to request you all, guys, if you are joining my Telegram channel as well as commenting on the YouTube videos where you are asking me to make video on different stuff, then just to let you know that I'm not, once I end one of the series, then I'm not creating video on that particular series, because the running series is get disturbed. So the best way is that you can become a member and raise your questions. And for small things are also people are raising the queries. So I just request you all again, since I have explained all the videos thoroughly, so just try to explore the admin guide and other available documentation. And after that, if you still feel you are not getting the things which is mentioned in the OEM documents or somewhere else, then you can raise your question. So friends, as always, if you found this entire series informative, then please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, colleagues, or whoever is interested in learning the DLP. This is going to be very helpful for them. And if in case if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button, and there's a bell icon. Okay, so click on that, so that as and when I'll upload new video, you guys are getting notified. So notification will be sent in the two form. One is you will directly get notification in your YouTube application as well as on your email. And guys, earlier I have ran one giveaway, but I didn't got much response. But with this video, I would like to let you know all that I'm again starting the giveaway. So where I have only almost 50 t-shirts with me. So the only condition is that you will have to prepare 1 minute video, okay, where you will be talking about the technical spark. I mean, how exactly it's helping you in your day-to-day life, I mean your professional life, what are the things you have learned and other stuff, okay. So, and once you share that video with me in my mail ID, then I'll review that video, okay. You can just upload that video on to the Google Drive and share that link with me. And once your video has been accepted, then I will request your address details, okay, so that I'll be able to courier those t-shirts on your address. It's a completely free of cost, guys. So this is a best giveaway from my side to all you guys. If you are confident and ready to face the camera, then yeah, go ahead and t-shirt will be yours. So that's it in this video. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.